So take this question from exercise 3E, Roman number 1, question number 1. Find the incenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, root 3, 2, 0 and 2, 0, 0. So we take these 3 points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Let us mark them as A, B and C. So first we will find the distance of BC, that is small a. So we apply distance formula, root over 2 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. That is root over 2 square plus 0 square. That is 2. Now we find small b, that is the distance between AC. That is root over 1 minus 0 whole square plus root 3 minus 0 whole square. So that is root over 1 plus 3, which is equal to root 4, that is 2. Now we find small c, that is AB. Again distance formula, root over 1 minus 2 whole square plus root 3 minus 0 whole square. So that is root over 1 plus 3, which is again root 4, that is 2. Now to find out the incenter, we have a formula. I is equal to AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, comma AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by A plus B plus C. Now substitute the values here. So that is 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 0 by 2 plus 2 plus 2, comma 2 into root 3 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0 by 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 0 by 6, 2 root 3 plus 0 plus 0 by 6, which is equal to 6 by 6, 2 root 3 by 6, which is equal to 1, 1 by root 3. Now take this question from exercise 3E, Roman number 1, question number 12. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 to the straight line 7x plus 24y minus 15 is equal to 0. So for this, let us draw a figure. This is line 1, line 2, and this is a line 7x plus 24y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we join this. This is point P. Now we write the given equations. Given equations of the straight lines are 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, equation number 1. 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to equation number 2. To find this point, we need to solve these two equations. As we can see from the figure, P is the point of intersection of 1 and 2. So solving 1 and 2 using cross multiplication method. So 2, 4, 3, 2. 5 minus 1, 2, 5. Here we write x, y and 1. Now you cross multiply. So we get x by minus 2 minus 20 is equal to y by 8 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 15 minus 4. So x by minus 22 is equal to y by 11 is equal to 1 by 11. So x is equal to minus 22 by 11, that is minus 2. And y is equal to 11 by 11, that is equal to 1. Therefore, P is equal to minus 2 comma 1. Now, given equation of the straight line is 7x plus 24y minus 15 is equal to 0. So, if you compare with the standard equation of a straight line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a equals 7, b equals 24, c equals minus 15. And point of intersection we already got. Point of intersection P, x1 comma y1 is minus 2 comma 1. Now you can see the perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance from P minus 2 comma 1 to the straight line 7x plus 24y minus 15 is equal to 0 is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So that is 7 into minus 2 plus 24 into 1 minus 15 by root over 7 square plus 24 square. So I'm continuing over here. So that is equal to minus 14 plus 24 minus 15 by root 49 plus 576. That is mod minus 5 by root 625. That is 5 by 25, which is equal to 1 by 5. This is the required answer. So take this question. This is exercise 3E, Roman number 1, question number 11 from your Telugu Academy textbook. So find the equation of the straight line making non-zero equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. First, let us write the given equation of the lines. Given equation of the lines are 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. X minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Let us draw this figure. This is coordinate axis. If I draw a line, then this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. So this is O, this is A, and this is B. So small a is x-intercept, small b is y-intercept. Now if you solve equation number 1 and 2, you get the point of intersection of the two lines. So we use cross multiplication method. Start from the y coordinate of the first equation, minus 5, 1, 2, minus 5. Now from the second equation, again y coordinate is minus 3, constant is minus 4, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is minus 3. Over here I write x, y and 1. Now we cross multiply. So you get x by 20 plus 3 equals y by 1 plus 8 equals 1 by minus 6 plus 5. So x by 23 equals y by 9 equals 1 by minus 1. So x is minus 23 and y is minus 9. Therefore, point of intersection of lines 1 and 2 is P minus 23, comma, minus 9. So the equation of the straight line in the intercept form. So whenever you find intercepts in the question, always take intercept form. And the intercept form of a straight line is x by a plus y by b equals 1. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now the line 3 making equal intercepts. Whenever it is making equal intercepts, that means a and b are equal. So I can replace b with a. So we get x plus y is equal to a. Let's say this is equation number 4. Now since equation number 4 passes through the point P minus 23, comma minus 9, then we substitute. In equation number 4, we substitute x and y as minus 23 and minus 9. So you get minus 23 minus 9 is a. So a is equal to minus 32. Now substitute this a value in fourth equation again. So which implies equation of straight line is x plus y is equal to minus 32, or you can write it as x plus y plus 32 is equal to 0. Now take this question, exercise 3E, Roman number 1, question number 10 from your Telugu Academy textbook. The question is, find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 and passing through the point of intersection of the lines x plus 3y minus 1 is 0 and x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So first let us write given equations of the straight lines. X plus 3y minus 1 is 0, equation number 1, and x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. So from first equation, start from the y coordinate. Y coordinate is 3, constant is minus 1, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is again 3. Then from the second equation, y coordinate is minus 2, constant is 4, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is minus 2. This is x, y and 1. Now cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you will get x by 12 minus 2 is equal to y by minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 2 minus 3. So x by 10 is equal to y by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 5. So x is equal to 10 by minus 5, which is equal to minus 2. Now y is equal to minus 5 by minus 5, which is equal to 1. Therefore, point of intersection of lines 1 and 2 is P minus 2, comma 1. Now what is given equation of the straight line? There is another line equation given, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Now let us find out slope of the line. Whenever a line is given, what is slope formula? Slope formula is minus a by b. So m is equal to minus 2 by 3. So you got slope over here. Now, since the required line is perpendicular, to line 3, the perpendicular slope will be minus 1 by m. Already we got m value as minus 2 by 3. Minus minus cancel. If I take 2 by 3 up, it becomes 3 by 2. So what is equation of the straight line? Equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 2 comma 1 and slope 3 by 2 is, we use 1 point form here. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equal to m, we take it as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into x plus 2. Now cross multiply, you get 2y minus 2 is equal to, multiply 3 inside, we get 3x plus 6. So 3x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Now take this question. This is exercise 3E, Roman number 1, question number 8. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and also through the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So first we write the given equations. Given equations of the straight lines are 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Again the same cross multiplication method. So minus 1, 5, 2, minus 1. 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is x, y, 1. Cross multiply. So you will get x by minus 1 minus 5 is equal to y by 5 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. So x by minus 6 is equal to y by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to minus 6 by 3, that is equal to minus 2. And y is equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So the point of intersection of lines 1 and 2 is p minus 2 comma 1. So the equation of straight line passing through the point O0 comma 0 and p minus 2 comma 1 is, we use 2 point form, y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. So we substitute the points, y minus 0 into minus 2 minus 0 is equal to x minus 0 into 1 minus 0. So if you further simplify it, you will get minus 2y is equal to x. Bring all terms one side, we get x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now take the next question. This is exercise 3E, Roman number 2, question number 2. So the question is, find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point 1, 2 and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So first you draw this figure. This makes 60 degrees and this point is a1, 2 and this line is root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now first write the given equation of the straight line, that is root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Let the given point a x1, y1 is equal to 1, 2. Given theta is equal to 60 degrees. Let the slope of the required straight line is m. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is passed through point a1, 2 and having slope m is, we use 1 point form here. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. Take this as equation number 2. Now multiply this m inside, mx minus m. Now take all terms one side, we get mx minus y minus m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, let theta be the angle between the lines 1 and 2. Then we take cos theta formula, mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square root over a2 square plus b2 square. So theta is 60. So we get cos 60 is equal to mod root 3m plus 1 into minus 1 by root over root 3 whole square plus 1 square root over m square plus minus 1 square. So that is cos 60 is 1 by 2 mod root 3m minus 1 by root over 3 plus 1 root over m square plus 1. So that comes around 1 by 2 equals root 3m minus 1 by root 4 is 2. 2 root over m square plus 1. This 2 and 2 cancel. If we cross multiply, we get root m square plus 1 equal root 3m minus 1. Now squaring on both sides, we get m square plus 1 equals root 3m minus 1 whole square. So now if you open the brackets, you get 3m square plus 1 minus 2 root 3m. Now you bring all terms one side, plus 1 get cancelled. Bring all terms one side, you get 2m square minus 2 root 3m is 0. If we take 2 common, m square minus root 3m is equal to 0. If I take m common, m minus root 3 is equal to 0. So we get m is equal to 0 or m is equal to root 3. Now we take case 1. Case 1 is if m is equal to 0, then equation of straight line is, from equation number 2 we take y minus 2 is equal to 0 into x minus 1. So 0 into anything is 0. So right hand side will become 0. So we got y is equal to 2. Now let us take case 2. If m is equal to root 3, then equation of straight line will become, again from equation number 2, y minus 2 is equal to root 3 into x minus 1. Open the brackets, you get root 3x minus root 3. Take all terms one side. Root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. So finally we write the conclusion. The equations of required straight lines are y is equal to 2 and root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. This is the final answer.